Good day all. Welcome to Bridge LCS. Today's topic that we are going to be discussing in this video is airway bill. Let's see how to create the airway bill in an effective way possible. Go to status, bill of lading and choose airway bill. In this section, you can see the row number in two different colors. The one in red indicates that the bill is yet to be approved by the concerned person. Approved data are represented with green number as you can see here. Now let's quickly see how to create a new bill. Click on new airway bill. Here you can see multiple sections which needs to be filled in order to create the bill. In general section, first field is the job. Here you need to select the job which we are working on. Fill the shipper, consignee account number and airlines through which the movement is happening. Add the precise airway bill number, shipper and consignee address. Moving on to the next section, you have these many number of fields to be filled. Select the agent from the drop-down available. You can create a new agent by enabling this button if required. Fill the required fields and move to the booking section. This section needs to be filled with the routing and charges details. Departure and destination are two mandatory fields. The remaining fields are optional. In the charges declaration, fill the currency involved and other required details. Next two sections, handling info and summary, are optional. If you want to capture the gross weight and the quantity involved, you can fill or save to proceed. Now let's see the operations that are applicable on unapproved and approved bill data. Right click on the unapproved bill. You'll get options like approve, original, duplicate or copy, draft, view, edit and delete. Click on original. This is how the bill looks like. You can find the original watermark in it. You can download and you can print the bill from here. Similarly, the duplicate and draft provides you the bill with respective watermarks on it. If you right click on the approved data, you can find options like disapprove, duplicate copy, draft and view. One cannot edit the approved bill. In order to edit, you need to disapprove the bill and make required changes. These are the features that are available in this section. The remaining features will be covered in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.